dies within 24 hours. Your YouTube views dies within 24 hours. Why? What is the reason? What are you supposed to do? Fix the following. Yes, you are supposed to fix your channel from dying views within 24 hours and making your channel grow within 24 hours. What are the things that you are supposed to fix? Fix the following so that your channel will grow up within 24 hours. Number one, stop deleting your videos or shorts. Stop deleting videos or shorts you have uploaded on your channel. Yes, if you stop deleting your videos, your channel will grow up and your views will not die within 24 hours. It is very important to know that you can delete a video if it have a strike. Yes, if you know and you are sure your video have a strike, you can delete it. But if you don't have strike on your channel, stop deleting your shorts and the videos to make your views not die within 24 hours, and you'll be happy and your channel will be blowing up. Yes, that is my first step. Do not delete videos. To stop views dying within 24 hours is create an edit screen at the cards at the playlist. Create playlist, create edit screen at the cards on your channel or on your videos. It is very important to create playlist and organize your channel. It is very important to organize your channel by creating playlist, creating edit screen. This is like promotion or creating network for your channel. Yes, your channel will grow, your channel will have network so that your views will be growing now and then. It will be blowing. Yes, from 0 to 1,000. Yes, it is making your channel a network. When you create a playlist, when you create a edit screen, your cards, yes, these are making network for your channel. It is very important to know that. Yes, always create and organize your channel very well and make your channel have a flow. Yes, you know the playlist. It make your channel have a flow and your views will go higher and higher because of you have an edit screen. After this video, then there is another video coming at the end. Yes, you are to show you your channel is organized and the YouTube algorithm will recommend your channel to all people who want to watch it. Yes, thank you. It's within YouTube views dies within 24 hours. That is the reason the thing you are supposed to fix down is titles and thumbnail. Yes, what is your titles? What is your thumbnail? On your thumbnail, please put the best thumbnail on your video. It is very important to put the best thumbnail, that because if you look on your competitors who are doing the similar videos like yours, they are putting the best thumbnail about you. Yes, you have to put the best of the best and the best titles. To look to other YouTube channels, look to your competitors and put the best thumbnail to avoid your views dying within 24 hours, and the people and your channel will blow up when you put the best thumbnail. Yes, on the same thing, if your channel is monetized, you know there is application of ads. Put the ads in the position of putting ads. Don't put many ads on your video because the audience will not be able to concentrate on your video because there is many ads. Put maybe if within 80 hours you put two ads and you are good to go. And for the first hour, for the first 24 days, don't put ads because the audience will be concentrating on your videos, and this will make the YouTube algorithm to concentrate on and to concentrate on your YouTube algorithm will be recommending your videos because it is being watched by your audience. But if you put more ads, the audience will not watch because you have put many ads. So the first 24 hours, don't put ads. Yes, and the YouTube algorithm will be recommending and will be suggesting your videos because the audience are concentrating and they are watching your videos. You have to be very careful. Yes, that is it. Titles are the thumbnail. Within 20 YouTube views dies within 24 hours. Why? The reason. Yes, another thing, that is number 4. Copy your competitors. If you want your views to blow up or your channel to blow up and will not die within 24 hours, copy your competitors. People who are doing similar to you, look to their titles, look to their thumbnail, look the best of the best what they are doing. Yes, maybe today you don't have an idea of what to do about on your channel or the content of today. Please look out to other YouTubers within the channel or the best who are doing similar to what you are doing. Yes, copy your competitors and your channel will blow up or your views will not die within 24 hours. Thank you. Please comment and share, like, and God will bless you so that we know what next to do. Please comment on my channel and may God bless you.